only with loops that look amazing but are very easy to do. A free motion quilting design tutorial for beginners. Hi quilters! Thank you so much for having us today. I'm Aline.
And I'm Natasha.
We are quilting a very special season. It's square season here on our channel, and today we are using loops to create a very beautiful design that we named Celtic Loops. Take a look and let's get started.
So here we are with our quilting board on the top of our piecing and our square. And one very nice thing for you to understand this design is to imagine, you don't have to draw it, just imagine diagonal lines that are going to divide this square into triangles. So
into, okay,
into. So what we're going to do is a first round of loops that will be like this. So this loop is very different from this loop because we want this. We want to have space down here, and we want a smaller loop on this part. Okay, this is
a very thin also.
Yes, and then just repeat it for the four corners.
One thing that we did here that helped a lot is to draw a single point right in the middle of the square.
Yes,
so we know where to stop.
Yes, and you don't need to bring every loop so together in here. They're not touching, but they're almost. You can do them a little bit apart when you're practicing or quilting it. And then the second round of loops are going to be like this. We're going to do a very rounded, close to the finish of to the end of our square. And then now we're going to do a really rounded big loop, and then repeat it. I am crossing this big loop here with this line, and with the loop itself.
We are passing kinda in the middle of the first round of loops.
Yeah, so go here, cross here, in the middle of the loop, cross here, and go to the other side. And then again. So it is nice for you to do in the first round, not such a really tiny loop, because then you won't be able to cross it appropriately. The better is to do a bit longer loop, more long than this one, that you will have space to cross it. So it looks intricate. It is a very, very beautiful design, but if you are doing loops for a little time already
with us on the other seasons,
yes, you will be totally able to do it, because it's easy, friendly, beginners friendly design. So let's go to the machine.
So these stitches are not locked. I have to hold it here so it doesn't mess all over my quilt sandwich. And I will start with this loop here. And now I'm going to do the other one. And now we are going to do the third loop. And the last one. for this row. Now we're going to do the very fluffy rounded row of loops that start like this. And now the second one. The third one. And the last one. Let's check how this beauty turned out.
So here are our Celtic loops, and you can do it, you can practice them, quilt them. Hope you enjoyed, and you see you next time. Comment also if you like it.